how's it going too? Finally got a new top for the RS4. This is the Hpi Rs4 Sport 3. This is my drag, speed run car, everything. I just went ahead and painted that not too long ago. Just let y'all see how that thing looking. Also, I just came out to do a quick few test hits. Wanted to reveal the body before Sunday, and we're gonna go from there. Just want to do a quick test hits, and then I'll probably do some test hits with the Slash since I made some adjustments, and we'll take it from there. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I got a few test hits in. Make sure she's pulling nice and straight. Somebody got a tire busted. Got a tire that's busted. I hear it. It's nice and bright though. Air tire busted. Let's see. Alright, YouTube. Want to show y'all I got a tire busted. If y'all can see that. I'ma still test it. I got some more tires at home. But if she goes straight, if I change the tire, she'll definitely be alright. I hear that tire flapping though. Tire definitely just blew up on me. I gotta put new tires on it, y'all, but I ain't worried about that. Alright, y'all, let me go ahead and get the Slash. Alright, y'all, doing some quick hits with the this is Traxxas Slash drag bill. Unfortunately, I will not be doing no more testing probably tomorrow night. So let me not even say unfortunately, because me and Johnny want to get on the tree and we'll see what that's doing. But I just want to get some test hits in. I did some more adjustments, see what's going on. Also, I probably didn't even post a video, but I went ahead and got them reactions on there. I mean the primes, and I fitted them on the stock wheels. So let's see what she do. Door. Get one more in and I'm gonna call it a day. All right, guys, y'all stay tuned.